Ukraine's skilled drone operators take advantage of all the left open hatches and doors on armored vehicles and tanks. Without this help, a lot more drones would be needed to have the same result as today. When leaving hatches or as seen here doors open, the drone can aim in with the warhead, so the explosion can partially or completely occur inside, making an internal fire or ammunition ignition much more likely. This results in a completely destroyed system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.